They said electric aircraft couldn't break records until the Rolls-Royce spirit of innovation shattered not just the record books, but our very understanding of what's possible. 3 electric motors unite to unleash 550 horsepower of pure, sustainable power, propelling this technological triumph to an electrifying 623 kilometers per hour. In the skies above Boscombe Down, this sleek single-seater didn't just set a world speed record, it ignited a revolution in aviation history. But speed is only part of the story. Every flight, every mile, and every record pushes us closer to a future where the roar of engines is replaced by the whisper of electric innovation. When conventional aircraft hit their limits, the Kodiak 100 is just getting started. This rugged marvel proves its worth where others fear to tread, mastering short takeoffs and landings on terrain that would make other aircraft think twice. The Pratt & Whitney PT6A34 turboprop heartbeats with 750 horsepower, transforming challenging missions into routine operations. Its high-wing design and robust tricycle landing gear provide the ground clearance needed for unpaved strips, while the versatile cabin effortlessly switches between carrying 9 passengers or 3,800 pounds of cargo. In a world of specialized aircraft, the Kodiak 100 stands alone in its ability to adapt and overcome. Meet the electric trainer that's revolutionizing flight schools worldwide. The Alpha Electro doesn't just train pilots, it demonstrates that sustainable aviation can outperform traditional methods. Its electric motor delivers an impressive 1,000 feet per minute climb rate, leaving conventional trainers in its wake. But the real innovation lies in its regenerative landing system, recapturing energy that would normally be wasted as heat. The 17 kilowatt-hour battery system isn't just powerful, it's practical, offering rapid swapping for continuous training operations. With 1 hour of flight time plus a 30-minute reserve, it matches the training window of traditional aircraft while slashing operating costs. Flight schools report dramatic savings in both maintenance and fuel costs. When German precision engineering meets aviation artistry, something extraordinary takes flight. The Breezer Sport represents a triumph of modern manufacturing, where 3D CAD and CAM technologies create perfection in every countersunk rivet. Its retractable landing gear isn't just a feature, it's a masterpiece of weight optimization that transforms drag into pure performance. The tapered wings work in harmony with revolutionary flap design, delivering exceptional low-speed handling without compromising high-speed stability. For pilots and home builders alike, this aircraft isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about experiencing the perfect fusion of cutting-edge technology and timeless aviation craftsmanship. The aviation community has taken notice, praising its exceptional build quality and versatile performance envelope. While others dream about flying cars, the Volocity is already turning city skies into highways. This isn't just another evtol concept, it's a meticulously engineered solution to urban gridlock that's already completed over 2,000 test flights. 18 precisely synchronized motors don't just provide lift, they orchestrate a symphony of sustainable flight. Quietly enough to blend into the urban soundtrack, the genius lies in its simplicity, transforming the space between skyscrapers into direct routes between airports and city centers. While current versions require pilots, the real revolution awaits in its autonomous future, where every flight brings us closer to a world where traffic is a relic of the past. World of compromise, the Daha TBM 960 refuses to yield. This masterpiece of engineering shatters expectations with its groundbreaking single-lever control system, revolutionizing how pilots interact with their aircraft. The Pratt & Whitney PT6 E66XT engine unleashes raw power, propelling this marvel to 330 nautical miles while covering an impressive 1,730 nautical miles. Inside the cockpit, the Garmin G3000 suite and home home-safe emergency system work in perfect harmony, offering unparalleled safety. The cabin redefines luxury with its LED ambient lighting, electronically dimmable windows, and ergonomic seating. Every detail, from the USB-C power outlets to the advanced environmental controls, reflects a commitment to excellence that makes rivals look twice. In a world desperate for urban mobility solutions, the Joby S4 isn't just breaking barriers, it's erasing them entirely. This electric marvel transforms from a sleek aircraft to a vertical takeoff master in seconds, making every rooftop a potential runway. Its revolutionary tilt-rotor system isn't just engineering brilliance, it's the key to unlocking the skies above grid-locked cities. 6 electric motors work in perfect harmony, whisper quiet yet powerful enough to whisk 4 passengers and a pilot at an astonishing 320 km per hour. With a range of 240 kilometers, the S4 isn't just offering a ride, it's delivering the future of transportation that sci-fi dreams are made of. Freedom has a new definition, and it's called the Icon A5. This isn't just another light sport aircraft, it's a personal adventure machine that transforms any lake into a runway and any pilot into an explorer. Its state-of-the-art Garmin G3X touch technology to weekend warriors, while the Rotax 912 engine's 100 horsepower creates the perfect balance of thrill and efficiency. At 95 knots with a range of 427 nautical miles, it's not about reaching destinations, it's about discovering them. Whether skimming over waves or soaring through canyons, the A5 proves that the true purpose of flight isn't transportation, it's transformation. Built to revolutionize urban mobility, this British masterpiece slices through the limitations of conventional aircraft. The VA2X proves what many thought impossible, that electric aviation can match the reliability of traditional systems. Its engineering brilliance shines in a groundbreaking passive cooling system, eliminating the complexity and weight of liquid cooling. The carbon fiber airframe conceals another technological triumph, a modular design that adapts to any mission profile. Whether skimming across cities or touching down on water with its amphibious configuration, it carries 4 passengers and pilot with unwavering stability. Pushing the boundaries of electric flight, it achieves a 50-kilometer range at cruising speeds that perfectly balance efficiency and urban practicality. When luxury meets electric aviation, boundaries shatter. Rolls-Royce's hybrid evtol concept doesn't just fly, it transforms in mid-air. The magic happens during transition. Its propellers orchestrate an aerial ballet, tilting for vertical takeoff before elegantly folding away to minimize drag. This engineering masterpiece harnesses 500 kilowatts of electric power, unleashing speeds of 402 kilometers per hour. Inside the meticulously crafted cabin, 4 passengers experience the future of air travel in uncompromising comfort. With a range of 805 kilometers, it's not just another concept, it's Rolls-Royce's declaration that sustainable aviation and performance can coexist. The verdict from aviation experts? This could redefine both private and commercial flight. When disaster strikes and every second counts, there's one aircraft that military commanders trust above all others. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules didn't just change military aviation, it redefined what's possible in the skies. Since 1954, this 4-engine titan has been the backbone of humanitarian missions worldwide, landing on dirt strips that would make other aircraft cringe. While other planes boast about luxury, the Hercules proves its worth through pure grit, transforming from a cargo hauler to an aerial refueler and even a fearsome gunship. Its signature high-wing design and rear ramp aren't just features, they're battle-tested solutions that have saved countless lives. Even after 6 decades, modern variants continue to push boundaries. When every second in the air demands perfection, the Piper M700 Fury answers with pure aviation brilliance. Building on the M600's legacy, this single-engine powerhouse doesn't just fly, it commands the skies with a 700 horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6A 52 Hart, screaming through the air at 301 knots. But raw power isn't the whole story. The game-changing Halo safety system with Garmin Autoland technology stands ready as your digital guardian angel, transforming emergencies into controlled situations. Slice through the atmosphere up to 30,000 feet in pressurized comfort, while the G3000 avionics suite keeps you master of your domain. With a 2,722 kilogram takeoff weight and 996 kilogram useful load, backed by a 1,149 nautical mile range, the M700 Fury isn't just raising the bar, it's rewriting the rules of private aviation. Forget everything you know about passenger aircraft. Airbus's Maveric rewrites aviation's rulebook. This radical blended wing design shatters conventional aerodynamics, promising a staggering 20% reduction in fuel consumption. Inside its revolutionary shape lies the next evolution in passenger comfort. A wide-body cabin that reimagines the entire flying experience. The twin electric motors mounted over the rear don't just provide thrust, they represent Airbus's vision of quieter, cleaner aviation. With a 3.2-meter wingspan, this unmanned demonstrator proves that radical thinking can solve aviation's biggest challenges. Industry experts agree, Maverick isn't just testing new technologies, it's previewing the future of commercial flight. Czech engineering excellence soars to new heights with the VL3 Evolution, where speed meets uncompromising safety. This ultralight marvel doesn't just fly, it slices through the air with a purpose thanks to its meticulously crafted composite airframe and aerodynamic prowess. Powered by the legendary Rotax 912 ULS engine, generating 100 horsepower, it transforms every drop of fuel into pure flying pleasure. The side-by-side cockpit offers both pilot and passenger an intimate connection with the sky, while the choice between fixed and retractable gear adapts to any mission profile. With an 8.44-meter wingspan, it strikes the perfect balance between agility and stability. Supersonic dreams take physical form in the AS2, pushing the boundaries of what business aviation can achieve. This revolutionary aircraft promised to slice through time itself, whisking passengers from New York to London in just 4 hours at an astounding Mach 1.6. The delta wing design doesn't just look aggressive, it's a masterpiece of aerodynamic efficiency, carefully sculpted to minimize sonic boom while maximizing range to 4,750 nautical miles. Though Aerion's journey ended in 2021, the AS2's legacy lives on, inspiring a new generation of supersonic innovators. Aviation experts still reference its groundbreaking design as the blueprint for future high-speed commercial flight. In the battle between efficiency and versatility, the Cessna Skycourier proves you can have both. This twin-turboprop powerhouse rewrites the rules of regional aviation with its remarkable 6,000-pound payload capacity and ability to accommodate 19 passengers. The Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6 A65 engines deliver reliable performance, cruising at 210 knots with a practical range of 386 nautical miles at full load. What sets this aircraft apart is its intelligent design, featuring a flat floor and oversized cargo door that make loading and unloading a breeze. Inside, supportive seating and USB power outlets ensure passenger comfort, while the robust construction guarantees dependability for operators who demand more. To witness history as 3 aviation pioneers chase an impossible dream, circumnavigating the globe without a drop of fuel. Solar Airship One embodies a decade of relentless innovation, converting sunlight and hydrogen into pure flight power. This technological marvel will soar at 6,000 meters, conquering 40,000 kilometers of open sky in just 20 days. Led by the legendary trio of Bertrand Piccard, Dorian Buron, and Michel Taghini, this isn't just an expedition, it's a statement about aviation sustainability sustainable future. The engineering team has pushed every boundary, creating systems that harvest every available watt of solar energy. In the realm of twin turboprops, the Beechcraft King Air 350i stands as a testament to what relentless refinement can achieve. Twin Pratt & Whitney PT6 A60A engines work in perfect synchronization, unleashing power that translates to an impressive 312 knots while maintaining an extraordinary range of 1,806 nautical miles. The revolutionary flex cabin system transforms the interior space, accommodating up to 11 passengers in configurable comfort. Each seat comes equipped with dedicated power outlets and fold-out tables, while the Rockwell Collins Proline 21 avionics suite ensures precise navigation. This aircraft doesn't just meet expectations, it creates new ones, proving why it's the benchmark in its class.